Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Stripe versus Payoneer. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Finalizing a business banking platform is a tough decision. You need tailored banking offerings to suit your current banking needs and exhaustive features for autonomous operations without any hassles. You might also seek some built-in capabilities to do budgeting and track your finances. You don't want to pay high transaction processing charges and might want quick access to capital if required. This is why we are putting two giants against each other, Stripe and Payoneer, both of which offer amazing features and services. So let's jump in and get started. Stripe is an online and in-person payment processing and financial services platform for businesses of all scales and types. With Stripe, you can receive payments via debit or credit cards, buy now, pay later, and mobile wallets. Its services are categorized into three major segments: global payments, banking as a service, and revenue and finance automation. Right from e.commerce store integrations to hosted checkout pages and payment solutions to powerful APIs, Stripe is a powerful payment processor for business owners. It specializes in online sales, has strategic partnerships with multiple companies in 40 countries, and cherries on top, it's free to use. Now, let's take a deep dive into the banking features of Stripe. If you are a developer, you can leverage Stripe's KYC module and streamline the user sign-up processes without building a separate KYC program. This reduces the effort involved in user onboarding and expedites account creation. Stripe has partnerships with reputed banks like Goldman Sachs and Evolve Bank Trust, which enables it to offer FDIC-insured accounts to its users. Based on your needs, you can open various types of accounts via Stripe Treasury. While the standard checking accounts are perfect for daily transactions and regular banking needs, if you wish to earn interest on deposits, you can open money market accounts. Stripe can also be integrated with popular e-commerce platforms like Magento, Shopware, WordPress, WooCommerce, Drupal, and many more via simple and easy to set up pre-built plugins. Stripe allows its users to initiate multiple types of domestic payments via the Stripe Treasury accounts, such as domestic wire transfers, edge transfers, and check deposits. You can have granular control over outbound payments as well. Stripe allows users to configure permissions for sending and receiving funds for specific financial accounts. You can manage and track your financial activities, overall balance, as well as the individual balances of the connected accounts via highly intuitive and feature-rich dashboards and tools. You can also set inbound and outbound workflows to manage funds coming from multiple sources, such as payouts and deposits, and the funds you spend. Now, Payoneer is a perfect banking solution for marketplaces, small businesses, freelancers, and businesses that seek an all-in-one solution for international payments. It is a user-friendly platform that allows you to receive payments in your bank account, get cash via ATM withdrawals, and get virtual cards for online payments. Payoneer integrates with popular marketplaces, making it perfect for freelancers and businesses working across different channels and geographies. Business users can open local receiving accounts in currencies of their choice and send and receive payments globally. Payoneer offers a physical debit card for complete autonomy over finances and added flexibility. Some additional features include payments for ad services, contractors, VAT, suppliers, etc. Now, let's take a deep dive into the banking features. Solopreneurs and small business owners who operate across global online marketplaces can enjoy hassle-free payments with Payoneer. Payoneer integrates with online marketplaces like eBay, Airbnb, Amazon, and many more to streamline the payment process and offer a convenient reception of funds directly into the Payoneer account. Payoneer allows you to send funds instantly to the other Payoneer accounts without any extra payment. You can send money to the bank accounts in a batch of 200 payments at a time. These payments go through within 24 hours. Further, you can make payments across 200+ countries and use Amazon Transparency and Amazon Advertising to settle business invoices. Payoneer users can get a physical or virtual MasterCard card, which can be linked to balances in 4 different currencies in their Payoneer accounts. These cards can be used at ATMs, online, and in stores. You can top up your cards to make purchases in USD, Euro, GBP, or CAD, and also choose a base currency while placing the card order. Payoneer allows you to get multiple virtual cards, and the cap on the number varies according to the type of account. All business purchases done by the card come with cashback, which is credited directly to the account every month. Business owners using Payoneer can open a local currency account in countries like the US, Europe, the UK, etc. They can also transfer funds from their Payoneer account to these business bank accounts whenever required. Payoneer offers a multi-currency conversion service to make currency conversion easier. It also allows the users to aggregate all the e-commerce stores and monitor the payment activity across all of them via a unified dashboard. Further, you can pay UK and Europe VAT from your account without any extra fees that help you save on costly transfer and currency conversion fees. If you are a seller on Amazon or Walmart and use Payoneer, you can get a merchant cash advance of up to $750,000 via the Capital Advance program. The program is available at 3 levels varying in terms of amounts, settlement periods, and offers. Payoneer allows its users to make payments via credit card, ACH, direct deposit, and Payoneer accounts. You can request payments globally, bill your clients, and offer them multiple easy ways to make online payments. If you are a business, you can receive payments from the leading marketplaces in multiple currencies. Some examples include Airbnb, Stock, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. You can also withdraw money from any ATM globally, as Payoneer has fixed withdrawal fees which allow you to use your ATM cards anywhere at the same prices. It also offers an easy-to-use mobile app that offers centralized management of your finances and banking operations. You can withdraw money from your local bank account across 150 plus countries and track and manage the balance statuses. While both Payoneer and Stripe offer excellent features, you should opt for Payoneer if you are a freelancer or small business owner with recurring international transactions. Payoneer offers local receiving accounts in multiple currencies, which enables you to receive cross-border payments at low fees. So that's basically all about Stripe versus Payoneer. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.